Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thank you for joining the entire Happy crew for today's video. I have Gina on my right, Wyatt is asleep on my left. Gina here's the kickoff, so she's already getting ready to bolt. Do you want to say hi to everybody before you run? She's such a sweetheart when she wants to be. There she is. Say hi. Hi and welcome, and we're so happy you're here with us to spend a little bit of time. I'm sure you will see Wyatt. He's in his comfy, cozy, let's go to sleep mode. All right, so for today, I got excited today because my Nuuly picks are in. So if you're not familiar with Nuuly, it is a rental subscription through the Urban Outfitters company of brands, which is Anthropologie, Urban Outfitters, and Free People. I believe it's just those three. Zena's off. And you pay $88 a month. You get 6 items for the entire month. You wear them as much as you want. You treat them as your own. You don't need to wash them. They go through a thorough cleansing process once they are returned. There is literally thousands of items for you to choose from in your size. And everything from casual wear to formal wear if you needed it. So you really could pick a vacation capsule if you were going away. I know not too many of us are doing that right now, but if you were, you could pick an interview capsule if you had some interviews coming up. Casual wear for times like now. So you really can pick all different types of clothing for whatever your mood strikes, but you do pick it for the entire month. And these are my picks for the next month. Now, I did not do well last month. I picked some pieces that I did not even wear. One item didn't fit me. 2 of them I did wear, and the other 3 I just never reached for some reason. I'm not sure. One was a dress that was just too heavy. It was like 90 degrees most of the month, and the dress was just too heavy for me to wear. One pair of shorts just hit me at a really odd spot. They were really long, and again, just too much fabric for the weather. And I'm forgetting the last piece and why I didn't reach for it right now. I can't remember. Anyway, so I tried to do much better in my picks this time to pick things I knew that I would reach for. You do have the opportunity to buy the pieces if you would like to. They are discounted anywhere from about 35% to about, I think the most I've seen is almost 70%. I have gotten items with tags on them, and I'm excited. This gives me a chance. I do try to pick pieces that are a little bit outside my comfort zone or things that I wanted to try before I think I might want to purchase. So I think it's kind of fun. So let's do this. Here's what inside my little travel case looks like. I love this. You do get a return label to put right back on the outside of this case. You put everything right back, zip it right up, and return it UPS. I believe it's UPS. Yep, UPS. All right, let's dig right in. Okay, first item I'm going to go with is this bright yellow sweater top. This is from Anthropologie, and I just loved the bright colors in this. It is a sweater tank. Love the bright colors. Thought this was super cute. All right, so the price of this, I'm going to go through pricing while I go through it so you guys know. It's called the Gina Sweater Tank by Anthropologie. The retail price of this is $118. If I wanted to purchase it, I get 40% off at $62.54. That's item number 1. Next up, which I thought these two would look cute together, is a pair of shorts. And these are by Anthropologie as well. These are called the Wanderer. And you can see these are brand new. Tags still on them. How cute are these? And I thought these were such a fun, yeah, the tag's still on here, so these have never been worn. A fun little camo print. Love these. These are the Wanderer Utility Short by Anthropologie. Retail is $78. If I choose to keep them, $53. All right. Next up. Thought this blouse was so pretty online. I do love the colors in it. This is by Maeve by Anthropologie. It's another Anthropologie brand. This one needs the wrinkles to get out of it. But look at the fun colors in this little blouse. So fun. The bright pinks, the purples, the oranges, the blues. Love that. Has the little V in the front, the collared neckline. Isn't that pretty? Curious to see what that looks like. It does have 2 pockets in the front there. So I thought that was pretty. And this is called the Whimsical Pintucked Blouse. And $78 is the retail, $43.68 would be my price. I did size down on this one based on reviews, so this is actually an extra, extra small, so we'll see. A couple of the reviews said it was like really low because of that V, so I should size down. All right, so next up, I thought this was fun. We'll see what this looks like on. This is by Agolde, and it is a skirt. Look at this fun little jean skirt. Love the different colors in this. Love the little unfinished hem. The A-line, look at this, the little slit in the front that allows you to hopefully walk. It does have the button front. So this one is called the Issa denim skirt. Retail is $188. If I want to keep it, $107. All right, almost done. We have 2 more pieces. This, you guys are gonna laugh. I don't know why. This one I thought was super funny. Had to try it. This is by Just Female. Do you not love this tee? Oh, I just had to try it. I think it's so funny. Do not disturb. Loved it. This is $65, and if I want to keep it, it's 53% off for 30 bucks. So cute. Yeah, so cute. It looks like it's never been worn. Like it doesn't have a worn look to it, but I don't see tags on it anywhere yet. But it is adorable. All right, and I have one last item to share, and then we'll get right to the try on. And of course, guess what it is? Yes. Yes, it's a jacket. I love it. I had to try this one. I love the color. It's a jean jacket in this amazing pink. And the tags are still on it. Oh, it might have to stay with me. Oh, I love it. Okay, this one's by Free People. It's called the Rumors Denim Jacket. It was $98. It's a retail, 30% off, $68.59. Love. Okay, that's everything. Let's get to this try on and see how I did. Okay, so I have the first outfit on, which is these fun little camo shorts and the little sweater tank. What do you think of these two together? Should this be an outfit or not? So first of all, I love the length of these shorts. They're a great length. This is probably what, a 7-inch inseam, I think. They have awesome width at the bottom, so they do flare out a little bit, the widest part of your ankle, which are widest part of your leg, which I love. Makes your leg look a little bit skinnier. They have these fun pockets, which is nice. They come down pretty low and they're stitched. The extra little coin pocket here is fun. I'm really liking the shorts. I did size down in these based on all of the comments that everybody had written about these shorts, saying that they had stretched out and that they were really big and they needed to size down. So they do fit really good in the waist. But overall, I think they do fit good. They're not pucking out at the pockets, and I like them. So here's what the outfit looks like. I really love the bright colors in this tank. I think it's very pretty overall. It's not an overwhelming print, so I do think I could wear these together. You could always do a front tuck as well if you wanted to create a bit of a waist. Yeah, I'll get a little bit closer just so you can see both prints. All right, and we'll do the next outfit. Okay, second outfit. I have to tell you, I'm kind of in love with this outfit. First of all, kudos to the people that took the time to write the reviews for this little blouse, because due to that, I got the right size. If I would have got a bigger size, I do believe this would have been too low. This is just the right place. And I love the prints in this. The color is just a little bit wrinkled here, so I do think I probably need to steam that out a little bit so it lays right. But aside from that, I think this blouse is beautiful. The colors are gorgeous. The cut of it is gorgeous. I love this nice V-neck. It looks so pretty on. I'm in love with it. Here's what it looks like in the back. And paired with this skirt, I actually think this makes for an awesome, awesome look. I do like the different colored denim. The slit in the front allows you to have room to walk. It's not indecent. I did sit, and it works for me. I don't know if someone taller, maybe that would be an issue, but for me, it's okay. I'm 5'5" for reference. So I did size down this. I did get my true size in the skirt. It does not move, so a lot of times skirts will ride up. This is hitting me right in the proper spot on my waist, and it is not riding up as I move around, because I did move around because I wanted to see where the slit fell, and I wanted to be able to sit in it. So I'm really liking this. A little bit closer so you guys can see. Oh, I'm going to want to keep pieces from this box. I just know it, from this collection. Now, these are all my picks. The stylist did not pick these pieces, so that you guys are aware. You do get to shop their site, pick the pieces that you want to rent for the month. No one picks your pieces for you, so I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised I like them. I'm surprised I like them as much as I do. These are really cute pieces. Oh, yeah. Okay, I have two more, and let me get those on for you. Before I take this top off, I did want to show you guys what it looked like out, because I do think it is just as pretty out as it was tucked in. It does have a higher cut here on the side. I think it's about the same length front and back, but I think I could wear this with the skirt out as well as in. So I wanted to make sure I showed that to you guys. Or with pants or shorts. Just such a pretty top. Okay. Now we'll go on. All right, so here's my Do Not Disturb tee. How cute is this? It's just a fun, just a fun tee for when you're just in that kind of mood. I like it. Not sure how it would go over on my video calls. Oh, but I like it. There's something about it. Looks cute with the jean skirt, my little flats, and we're gonna top it off with this super fun ink jean jacket, which I'm so excited about. How awesome is this color? Oh, how cute is this jacket? All right, I already undid the buttons here on the cuff because I knew I was going to have to cuff it. So this has seams here. I wanted to show you that on the arms. So it has a little bit of more room in the arm, which it's nice because you could layer bulkier items underneath it if you wanted to. It's not a tight fit through the arm. All right, so I like this. It almost has that washed out pink look, which I'm kind of digging. Looks cute with my Do Not Disturb tee. Don't know what you can read when I have it on, but it makes you wonder what it says. Oh my. It's a little bit shorter. I do have some room in it, so if I do button it here, I have a little bit of room, but nothing major. I don't know that I would button it, but I can if I need to. I like it. But I'm an easy sew on jackets as long as they fit and they're cute. So here's a closer look. I'm excited. So this collection might make up for my not so great picks from last month. Can't wait to wear these pieces. I think they're fun. I went over the prices with you guys, so I might have a hard time. I think I might want to add a couple of these pieces to my closet. But we'll see how the next month goes and which ones I reach for. I think I probably will wear all of these, and you'll probably see them in my outfit of the day video. So thanks so much for spending time with me today. I will put my link down below in case you want to give Nuuly a try. If you use my link, you will get $10 off your first box. Here's Miss Gina deciding to join us now that she knows I'm wrapping up. I will list these items as well in case you want to search for them to put them in your closet and put them in your next collection. Thanks so much, guys.
Please hit that like if you enjoyed this video. I'd love it if you hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. If you already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Take care of yourselves. Until next time, everybody. Bye.